Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today I wanted to walk you through how you can use the free ChatGPT to write all of your ad copy, all of your landing page copy, all of your ad assets, really anything that you need to write. It's pretty wild. It's free, and I highly suggest you guys start using it. And I'm going to walk you through that. So first, go to openai.com, try ChatGPT, sign up with your email. It's free. You'll come in here. I've already started making them, so I'll kind of walk you through what I did here. So essentially, the more you tell it what you need in detail, the better results you're going to get. So that's why you want to keep doing it over and over again until you get what you need. So for this one, in this example, we're going to do a responsive search ad in the auto detailing space, right? So you have in the responsive search ad, you have 18 headlines, 4 descriptions, and ChatGPT is going to write all of this for us. So let's get started. How we do it, right? So your prompt, you're telling it to do, write me 18 different headlines, each under 30 characters, because each headline can only be 30 characters, for a Google responsive search ad for mobile auto detailing. And then it's spitting out 18, right? Now they're not all great, but we're going to cherry pick the gold, copy it, and drop it directly into your ads. And that's how you will do this, okay? So we'll take detailing on the go. We come to you, car detailing pros, expert detailing services, book online now. Like, these are great call to actions. And some of these have keywords worked into them. And that's what we need too, right? Even better. Quality detailing services. Very cool, right? So let's say we pick, let's say we got like 6 out of here and we want more. We'll just copy our prompt. And we'll switch it up one more time. You see I did descriptions here too. So we'll do that after. So we'll go back in here. I'll tell it to write it again. And it will just keep spitting out different responsive search ad headlines that you can use. I mean, it's totally insane. This gives me hope for the future. Just making things much easier. We detail, you relax. Like, this is awesome. Clean car, no hassle. Auto detailing made easy. Your car, our expertise. I don't really like that. Detailing done right. I like that. On-site car detailing. Detailing at your door. Like, this is, so out of these two prompts with the 18 each, we can definitely find what we need to fill all of these out. And you can see I've already done that. So next we'll come to the descriptions. You can see up here, I did it already. So we'll copy it and have it give us more. So I made it say, write me 8 different descriptions, each under 100 characters for a Google responsive search ad. And here's what it spit out. So these are a little short. So I'm actually going to do it again, but give it more leg room. I'm going to say 130. I don't want it to be too long. And the beautiful thing about this is it doesn't have to be 8. You can do 18 of these too. You can do whatever you want, right? And then you can mix and match them. So you don't have to just take whatever it spits out and just do exactly that. You can mix and match these, add things, take things away, and just get creative with it. It just takes all of the thinking and all of the effort out of creating ad copy anymore, and just makes it very easy for you to be creative with what it gives you, instead of scouring the internet, looking for other people's ads and trying to come up with your own version of those ads. This makes it so much easier. And the more times you paste it over and over again, the more different variations it's going to spit out, and the more unique, obviously, it's going to be. So you want to keep really going down that rabbit hole and having it spit out as much as possible. Highly recommend that you guys use ChatGPT for your ad copy. It works. It works really well, and it makes the job much easier.